Hello again. I'm out here with this little tiny bit of beautiful paint left over from a very long-winded pour. I think we're going to call it quasar or supernova or something. Anyway, I have a canvas in front of me and I'm thinking of covering the edges with some white. And I'm going to tell you right now, brain's not fully functional. That red on there is super old. It dried on there and I can't seem to get it off. And even though I have a turning turntable, I'm not going to worry about using it right now. And I'm thinking about using my dustpan again because I had such a good time with it yesterday. I have edge catchers, which is my thing. I had glasses. I have glasses. Cool. I can see my medical tubing, or i.e. straw, whatever you want to call it. I want to do this painting. I don't care if it's 100 degrees. I have paint. All my paints are still out. Before I spend the next 20 minutes putting them away again, I'm going to use what I've got. And it is a bit of an experiment because I'm going to take, let's move that over there. I'm going to take my dustpan. I'm going to take a lot of my favorite color. Make sure there's nothing weird in there. You know what? I really want some, I want some silicone. I used Blaster silicone. I'm going to put a spritz in the bottom of that. It's a very small spritz this time. Unlike yesterday, which was a very large spritz. I said I'd put purple in there, but I'm going to put black in there anyway. I am probably going to put too much paint in here, but I think I'm just going to make it super obnoxious and try and make it super simple, in spite of all that rhetoric I give you guys about my ineptitude of doing that. So, we got black, we got white, we got orange. And what do I want to finish off? I like that pink. That pink is fine. It's not coming out fine. So I'm not going to use it. I think everything wants gold in it. That's just my thinking. And because this green is a nice contrasting color, I think I'm going to indulge myself. And because this turquoise is just next to it, I'm just going to blow my whole plan out of the water again and go back to my purple. Okay, now the silicone will not only make cells, I'm hoping that what it will also do is to allow most of the paint to come out. Of the dustpan. And did I, no, I don't know where my spatula is. I have a nice little spatula here somewhere. I'm just going to use the one I can find right now. And I'm going to scrape all the rest of that right out of there. And throw it in the bucket. Everything belongs that you don't want to have. I have paint on my thumb. I did not wear my paint shorts today. You know what? I'm thinking stuff. I'm thinking, oh no. I'm thinking I see stuff I want to change. And change it is what I'm going to do. And that's not coming out at all. So maybe it's not supposed to be. It will now. Maybe I changed its mind. These are really odd colors. And ask me if I care. Right now I'm so hot I don't care about anything. Okay, so I see, what do I see? I see this lovely color over here that I like. I know my edge catcher I started to use is probably larger than I need at this point. Edge catcher, you can see it a little bit. Came in the Michaels multi-pack of 16 by 20 canvases. I'm a fan. I'm going all the way for that edge. I'm going to tip it back and forth a little bit so it has a chance to roll back. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Oh, I like that spot over there though. I just don't know if I can keep it. Now this is certainly going to be something psychedelic, huh? But at least I used my paint up. All my paint is used up. And I can scrape that edge catcher right down back onto the canvas, and you can see what just happened. We just gained all that back again, which is pretty cool. Now, I like these other freaky shapes in here. I like these. So I think what I'm going to do, if I can, just I didn't paint the sides, let's come over here and scrape off some of that wonderful stuff right there and utilize it. You can't see me, but I'm doing that again. And I have my glasses on, so I should be able to see what else I'm doing. I'm going to put that in the bucket too. It's not pretty enough for me to try and save. Usually I have some happy accidents I like to save and then photograph. That looks like it needs something, and that's something right now. Where's that lilac? I think that lilac's going to come. No, that's not it. The color of the bottle distracted me. If I don't like it, it's going to get white instead. I like it fine. Now I see that there's a bunch of naked looking canvas pieces, and I think they're all going to get the same treatment. Let's see if I can see. These two colors don't go together at all, but that's okay. Because in nature, all kinds of stuff you never expected to go together goes together just fine. And that's my theory. Sometimes you gotta try the weirdest stuff possible to find out what really works. And I'm loving those cells. And I have a skewer. And I have a skewer stuck to every other skewer I have. I'm gonna rip those apart now. And I like all that there, but I'd like some of it to go over the edge, so I'm going to use my skewer, dip her in, borrow some. I'm going to do the same thing over here, because agitated paint makes cells, especially when there's some silicone already in the mix. I'm not seeing that much I want to do to this. I like it kind of like it is, but that's really thick right there, so I think I'm going to have to. I'm just going to roll that over the edge and then tap it into place. And I'm going to use the rest of it over here because it's on the edge. Yep. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's on the edge. I'm going to have a few edges to touch up, no doubt. Steal some paint, let it go over. That goes over very nicely. Thank you very much. Is that a naked spot? That is a naked spot. But I like that naked spot. I know my tip is really large, so I'm going to be very cautious adding any white paint in there. I like that little triangle. I don't mind about that little schmutzy spot. If it came to play, it must be meant to be there. Let's give ourselves a little spiral right in the middle. Anyone close by. And add some texture. Turn quiet. I like a lot of things about this already. And I don't mind that, especially since I lead it right down in there. Let them do their thing together. A few more spirals happen, or similar. No, I'm liking it. I'm liking it plenty fine. And even though the day is hot, we're doing this quick enough so it shouldn't be a problem. I really didn't want to lose that nice little area of red there, but since there's a nice little area of red right here, it seems to me, if I'm clever, I can probably steal some paint, put it back again, and if you didn't know, you wouldn't know. And that is very cool. I'm happy. I am not complaining about that one bit. It's always nice to have a few videos, so on days that are insanely hot I can decide that it's not a good day to go prostrate myself to the heat of the summer. I think even though that is fine over there, it's beginning to dry. And for the sake of the photograph I'm going to take in a minute, I like it to be uniform-ish. Like you can get anything to be uniform-ish. I see that little spot in there. And that will have to do. I'm going to wipe that skewer off. And I'm going to fill that other spot with white. Although it has some gold in there that looks kind of okay. I'm liking how much white there is. It's not bothering me a bit. Look at a little whirlpool. Yeah, I don't mind that. I want to do something here. I don't know what. That is actually not orange. That is a very red orange. That is its cousin. If I want real orange in there, I'm going to have to add it. Whoa, that just poured right out of there. And I'm not unhappy with it. I'm not too thrilled about the pouring part. Yep, that's fine. Do I like that up there? I'm okay with it. I want to offset it with something like this. Yep, that's what I wanted right there. I just let it fall down over the side. Take it off the skewer with my finger and use it. Has to be nice and thick because it's a little sheer. And that is a balancing point for me that I like. I don't just like it, I think I want a little tiny bit more of it. I'm not even sure that's the same stuff. Matter of fact, I'm sure that's not the same stuff. But it's similar enough. It's working for me. And I'm about to be able to get in the pool, which I can't tell you how much I deserve. I do. I really, really, really do. I haven't used a torch, and the other day I had a couple little insignificant bubbles, and I think I was very, very lucky that they were insignificant. That is not a naked spot. Not seeing very well today. We have some great colors, some weird colors. Some awesome patterns. Oops. Some cooked paint. Paint on toast. And only one thing that's bothering me. And it's either going to be gold or it's going to be white. And since it's not going to be gold, I guess it's going to be white. Or whatever that is. Let's just use the rest of that over there. Let's see what happens with our finger. Refuse to waste paint. Okay, so I have a bunch more right on my finger and on my spatula. And that is cool. Where was I? I was right there, wasn't I? Just see what naturally occurring event happens when I mess with that. Alright, well, I was told that my focal point needs to be someplace different than where it is, and I'm still gonna be okay with this the way that is, I guess. Maybe I can just play without getting too obscene. Although I did see a dragonfly just buzz me. Hopefully that means he'll be catching anything that will get in my way. That would be nice after yesterday. Yesterday was Fly Hell Day. Fly from Hell Day. I don't know. Is that still not a... Is that a... Never mind. Never mind what kind of word that is or isn't. I'm not going to worry about it right this second. That is pretty good. How do I really feel about it? I feel like it's pretty good. Now it's better. And so is that. Now I'm happy. Give it a little something something. Something spirally. Because I can. You thought I wasn't going to say it, didn't you? She hasn't said it because she can the whole video. She must be really baked by the sun. I know that some of you are paying attention to what I say out there, so I gotta be a little bit careful. Baked by the sun, she said baked by the sun. I'm talking to myself because it's hot and it's stupid hot. And if I didn't have leftover paint, I wouldn't have made this gorgeous painting. So thank you for helping me convince myself to come out here and make this gorgeous painting, which I'm almost done with. Whoa. Except for occasional changes, which are bound to happen with me. Am I super done? I think I'm trying to be super done. Question is, am I actually done, or am I just pretending again? I don't know. I think we're done. It could probably use something else, but I'm not sure what that something else is. I lie so much. Especially when I'm painting. Mostly when I'm painting. Yeah. Maybe a little more up here too. Oh, and over there where I didn't really want it, but now it is anyway. Let's see what I can do about that. I don't want that in there. I don't want that to be brown. So let's see if I can prevent brown from coming to town. Oh, now she's Dr. Seuss. Probably not that clever at this moment. Alright, it says I got 1.5 minutes left. So, we've torched. I'm not going to rain X. I keep wanting to use my fork. Go in there. Where's my tubing? There's my tubing. Things are really setting up quite thoroughly. I am extremely pleased with that. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for coming. Come again. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Let's see if I can get any closer for you. You don't need to be closer. You're all good. There we go. We'll focus one last time. And we'll say goodbye till next time. See you around. Bye for now. Priscilla out.